Today we're going to share 10 simple, equipment-free exercises that will transform your body in no time. By watching the entire video, you'll discover what these exercises are, how to progress faster, and even get a bonus for those who find it hard to exercise and always make excuses. Stay tuned, because exercise number 4 is going to be a game changer for your workout. Come with me and you won't get lost along the way. Let's go! Number 10, squats. Your body is a fortress that needs to be strengthened and protected. This exercise is perfect for improving your balance and stability, increasing muscle mass, and giving you the strength for daily challenges. Want to know how to do it? It's simple. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your body as if you were sitting in an invisible chair, keeping your back straight. Stand up and repeat. You'll thank me later. Number 9, lunges. Lunges are a favorite, especially among women, as they strengthen the legs and glutes without the need for equipment. To do it, stand up, take a step forward, and lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Return to the starting position and repeat, alternating legs to increase intensity. Number 8, push-ups. Push-ups are well known, and although they seem simple, they demand a lot from your body and provide valuable results. They strengthen the entire body, improve posture, and are great for psychological well-being. To start, place your hands on the ground, wider than your shoulders, lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, and push yourself back up to the starting position. Repeat daily, and after a month, come back to show us the results. Spoiler, your body will be transformed. Number 7, planks. Many dream of having defined abs, and planks are the solution. Want to increase strength, balance, and sculpt your abs? Lie face down, lift yourself up on your forearms and toes, keeping your body straight. Hold the position for as long as you can, then comment on how long you lasted. No lying. I managed 12 hours the first time. Too bad it wasn't recorded. Number 6, jump rope. Jumping rope seems like child's play, but don't be fooled. This exercise improves coordination and cardiovascular endurance, making it essential to break out of a sedentary lifestyle. Plus, it can have a nostalgic and motivating element. My tip is to get a rope with a counter to maximize your gains and track your performance, making the exercise more fun and competitive. If you haven't jumped rope in a while, don't worry, it's easy. Find a rope suitable for your height, spin it with your wrists, and jump to let it pass under your feet with each turn. Number 5, burpees. Our 5th exercise is the burpee, which works your entire body, improving coordination, strength, and aerobic endurance. It may seem intense, but remember, we're here to transform your body quickly. To do a burpee, start standing, lower into a squat position with your hands on the floor, jump into a plank position, return to the squat, and then jump up. Number 4, jumping jacks. The classic jumping jack is a must. It works your entire body, aids in weight loss, increases heart rate, and improves agility and endurance. No wonder many athletes love this exercise. To do it, stand up, jump while raising your arms above your head and spreading your legs. Return to the starting position and repeat quickly. Just be careful not to take off. Number 3, hip raises. If you've made it this far, your body is already transforming. Now let's include hip raises, excellent for strengthening the glutes and lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Lift your hips until you form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause and lower slowly. Number 2, side plank. For this exercise, you'll need focus, faith, and strength. The side plank strengthens the lateral muscles of your abdomen, and soon you won't recognize your own reflection in the mirror. To start, lie on your side, support yourself on your elbow, and lift your hips, keeping your body straight. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Number 1, mountain climbers. Our number 1 exercise is the mountain climber, which improves flexibility, core strength, and both cardiovascular and muscular endurance. To start, assume the push-up position you learned earlier and alternately bring your knees towards your chest quickly. Each of these exercises offers specific benefits, and when combined, they create a complete home workout routine that can be adjusted to your schedule and daily needs. Oh, but I don't have time! We've already helped you with the lack of equipment, and we're not leaving you hanging now. It's important to recognize that your body won't wait for the perfect time, the next holiday, or when the gym is less crowded. When we talk about healthy practices, and we talk about them in all our videos, we also talk about creating realistic habits. The focus of our channel is to show that physical exercise is essential and can be done anywhere. The only obstacles between you and your ideal body are a lack of motivation and knowledge. And for those who follow our videos, motivation and knowledge are never in short supply. That's why we're giving you an extra list. 8 small habits that will help you overcome a sedentary lifestyle and enjoy the numerous benefits of a more active life and a well-defined body. So, open your notes app and write everything down so you don't forget. Don't stop even when money is tight. We know that money can be an obstacle. Common issues like, I can't afford the gym, often arise. But don't give up. Find a space at home for your exercises, open our videos, and discover which material aligns best with your goals. Set clear goals. Define specific objectives for your exercise routine, such as losing weight, gaining muscle mass, or improving endurance. Knowing your destination helps prevent demotivation. Track your progress and make friends. Use a workout journal or apps to record your exercises, including details like duration, intensity, and how you felt during and after the activity. If you prefer, use a smartwatch to track your performance, including sleep quality. Vary your exercises. Alternate the types of exercises to work different muscle groups and avoid boredom. This also prevents your body from getting used to a specific routine, maintaining results. Use our videos as guides, as they are designed to adapt to your schedule, no matter how chaotic it may be. Preparation is everything. Always start with a warm-up to prepare your body and end with a cool down to aid recovery. This prevents injuries and exhaustion, ensuring continuous progress. Drink plenty of water. Hydrate before, during, and after exercises to stay hydrated, especially if you're sweating a lot. Drink water throughout the day for effective hydration. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust the intensity of exercises as needed. This helps avoid injuries and ensures a healthier practice. Commit and persist. I know you want quick results and they will come, but there's no magic formula. Everything depends on your commitment and persistence. Sweat it out, improve your posture, hold the position, and repeat, rain or shine. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and follow other videos here on our channel. I'm leaving this video here for you to watch. I think you'll like it. See you next time.